Today let's check out one really easy piano riff that you can learn in a beautiful minor key, and then I'll demo some ideas for you to create your own improvisation. Thanks for joining me. I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. So please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. So let's start our really easy piano riff. We have literally 3 notes in the left hand and 4 notes in the right hand. Let's put them together. I'll show you a full run and then we'll break it apart. Now let's dive right in. Our left hand begins with F, C, F, stepping up, and our right hand plays up the notes of an F minor 2 chord, looking at C, F, G, and A flat. Play all the notes downward again, stopping before the bass note. Instead of the bass note, let's throw in a held F and C up high in the right hand. Then our left hand can lead the progression down to a flat 6th bass note, step up from D flat, A flat, and D flat, but keep the same notes in the right hand. This kind of allows some jazzy sounds and allows it to feel kind of relaxed and meditative with the repeated notes. Next, step up the bass to a flat 7 with an E flat, B flat, and E flat. Up and then go down again and hold the high F and C. And now the final chord moves down to a 5 on C, G, and C, up and down the same right hand. Then only the 2 bass notes, and then let's adjust the right hand to an E and C note. So there we have it, a beautiful minor progression. So join me now and I'll show you some of my ideas that we could extend out and play with this, and then have a go at your own. Thanks for joining me today. Check out my other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks to inspire you in your music journey. Have fun!